Welcome to another video channel for DigiSales. We watch how to edit stock, and in our video we change the cost and we change the stock code and we change the quantity. So for us to change cost, or for the company to change cost, it means the price of the goods have gone up. So if they have added 10 to the cost, they need to make adjustment to their selling price. So how do you change the pricing of stock? That's what we are going to do in today's video. So you go to either the shortcuts or you go to the tab functions. In the tab functions, you click here, you click stockings, you come to stocks, and then you come to edit. Set price is when the price have not been set and you want to set a new price for a new entry. Edit price is when the price has already been set and we are making adjustments. So you can click here and you go there, or click on enter this shortcut and then you go to edit price. So today we want to edit the price. So we click on edit. Our focus is on mods. So we click on mods. You click on it and then the portal opens for you to edit. So we have two portals here, retail portal and wholesale portal. Click on retail to be sure the portal open here is for retail. So you could see it on top, retail portal. So what's the selling price here? We are having 0. Probably for demonstration purposes, I have not entered any realistic price. So today we are going to enter the price. So the cost for now, before was 150, now it is 160. The quantity before was 93, now it is 100. If you watch the previous video for edit stock, you could see how these figures came about. So we want to enter the price. So if it's costing us 160 to buy, I guess it is fair for us to sell it higher. So let's say in this demo, for demonstration purposes, I'm selling it 200. So when you are done, kindly click here when you are done. So you click it. So retail pricing is successful. When you click on that icon, it closes the portal. You can bring the portal back by clicking here. When you click here, it goes. You click on it, it comes. Or you can click on wholesale version and you can see the wholesale pricing as also what appeared. So wholesale will be cheaper, so we'll sell it 180 for wholesale and 200 for retail. Then once again you click here. So pricing has been what effected. So let's go and check whether we have the price really in the system. So you can check again by clicking on mods and then click on it. You click on wholesale, or you come to sales. I click on mods and the price is 200. So that's the new price for mod. Or I use smart checker, retail support, and click on mod. So mod is indeed 200 in the system and then 100 pieces. Now let's use smart checker to check wholesale pricing. Indeed, it is true. The 180 is taking effect and the quantity is 100. When you go to edit price, and you type on malt, it feels as if you want to edit, so it tries not to show you any price unit so that you can enter whatever you want to enter. But when you want to check whether the price is affected, please use the smart checker. The smart checker changes. If you watch the other video for smart checker, you know how well to use smart checker. But when you click on it and you type malt, we now see the current price for malt for retail. We click on it again and we check the current price for malt and we see 180. So this is how pricing are being edited on DigiSales for both the wholesale and for the retail. Thank you very much for watching this video.